Hi, my name is Paula. I am a patient of Oxford Physical Therapy. I had my knee replaced on October 2nd. Prior to coming to Oxford, I went to a different physical therapy group. I was new in the area, so I really didn't know where to go. And after 7 to 8 weeks of treatment, they dismissed me. I felt that they hadn't really been working my knee. The physical therapy was painful. I wasn't on any equipment. I wasn't building any muscles. They pretty much were just watching me do my exercises instead of helping me. After I was dismissed from the other physical therapy group, I went to my physician and they were not happy at all with the way I had progressed. My physician recommended Oxford Physical Therapy to me, and I did some research online and I did the virtual tour of the Oxford Physical Therapy in Florence, and I noticed that they had all the equipment that was suggested that I needed. After being here for 6 weeks and working with Tiffany and all the other wonderful people at Oxford, I am able to go up and down the stairs without holding on. I am able to get up and down from the floor. I'm able to run around with my little grandsons, and I am looking forward to playing golf in the spring.